This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for February 6, 2023. It's currently January 5th, 2023, 10:46 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior is it's interesting, guys. I've maybe seen this once or twice before in all the readings that I've done where there wasn't a correlation in either in the reading to the theme card, nor was there one in the following reading or the preceding reading. So in a case like that, my sense is that we probably don't see a lot of sideways rotation here, which is what this card would indicate. Um, there is a key support level that's highlighted. I put a note to refer to the price level from back here at the end of the day because this was significant. And my sense is that we may have like popped through and then come back down to that price level. It's possible, which we probably see right around 11 to 12 ish. Maybe a little sooner, like maybe 10:30, somewhere between 10:30 to 12 ish. In any case, the behavior around the highest high, we have a move higher through key resistance on a one day chart, followed by we stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level with a full retracement to where that move higher started. So you get like a capital A in the English language with that price level being the horizontal that goes through. The highest high is within close proximity to the lowest low, indicating a big move or a bit of volatility around the high and low. And then around the lowest low, it forms when we have a U-shaped dip that forms near the intersection of two perpendicular diagonal trend lines. I'm advised to trade around a key support level. My sense is it's probably that key support level from the first. Um, in the pre-market, we open higher. There's a brief high that's easily missed, and then we break down through multiple support levels into a trough or low, into a trough around the open. There's a notable move higher out of that trough, successfully turning resistance on a one-day chart scale into new support. And there's a trade opportunity in the midst of that early morning behavior. We meet a resistance level, we turn into support at least momentarily. There's a decline following that around like 10 to 11. So the trade, it's difficult to determine what that first trade is, so I might just avoid it. With that said, there's a trade opportunity at a trough here between 10 and 11. We go from a trough to move higher to a decline into another trough there between 10 and 11 with a fast sudden move higher probably around 10:45 ending that decline. And then there's a support level that's highlighted here with a notable trade opportunity and a bit of a decline between 11 and 12. Crest or high around, here we go, crest or high around 12 o'clock. When we move higher through resistance, we stay above it briefly and then break back down through the same price level. And there's a notable decline there to reach a day's low, it looks like, between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock. It'll form when we have this like halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support. And remember, we'll see like a U-shaped dip, so we'll come back. There'll be another trade opportunity. It looks like another prominent high, possibly the same price level, but there's a trade opportunity there, and there'll be price swings in the midst of that, with a rally in the last hour along a diagonal trend line, ending with a fast sudden move higher, and then a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. Around the close, we declined through a support level that we recently declined through once before. So probably the support level that's, notated here that we break down through, halting the bullish trend around like 1 to 2 ish. In the post market, there's three pokes through the same price level, followed by a sharp decline off of that third poke the following day. Looks like we open higher with sideways rotation along the key support that increases with Ace of Discs. Increases with bullish momentum as we move forward in time. Yeah, guys, that's the S&P 500 for February 6th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Guys, if you want to learn how to do this, there's people who have successfully learned how to do this. I'm not the only person who can do it now. I'm just the guy who's been doing it the longest, the creator. But there are other people that utilize the system of Eso-Meta analysis to do their own readings. You can do that by uh, uh, you check out the book that we wrote. It's on sale right now, $27 on our website, tarotfortraders.com. Normally $55. It's probably going to $55 come January 19th. It's probably going to $55. Everything on the website's going up in price. We're just getting too much demand. I have to slow it down a little bit. It's pretty awesome, guys. I thank you so much. This is really like been a huge turning point for me. So thank you very much. And I will see you guys on the next one.